Cycle for Seas was an initiative by Seas for Life Trust, where we're trying to, the idea was to ride from Nairobi to Watamu to raise money and also to create awareness that we need clean seas, clean rivers. So basically, the idea was to get cyclists together and ride together from Kajiado to Watamu over a period of 7 days. We started on Sunday. We'll be finishing tomorrow in Watamu.
It's important to us all, it's important to the whole world, and we're killing our world, and it's our faults. And I firmly believe that if everybody just did something towards helping with this problem, we could make a difference. Every single one of us can make a difference.
Now, it's important we keep these waterways, which are our life. Without water, there is no life. So we need to keep these waterways clean. And in terms of what we want to do in Seas for Life Trust is create that awareness, raise money as well for projects that help clean waterways, clean the seas, get rid of this plastic. Ideally, we have to find solutions, and I think we can do that in Kenya.
It was 660 kilometres from Nairobi to here, and the theme is to promote plastic awareness. So being able to look after anything made of plastic and make sure it's either recycled or used again, but not single-use plastic or plastics that we throw away, which end up going into a river and then downstream end up going into the sea.